How do you know when it's truly spring? Well, when ducklings start to appear, that's usually a pretty good sign. I went for a walk this weekend on the lookout for the mute swan nests that I've been following, and I was surprised by these baby mallard ducks. These ducklings weren't out this time last week, and based on their size, they can't be more than a few days old. In fact, I'd hazard a guess that they hatched within the last day. Females normally lay an average of 12 eggs, and there were only 3 ducklings out with this one. All the eggs will hatch within a 24-hour period, and after about 10 hours, the ducklings will venture into the water. My guess is that these were the first 3 to hatch out, and they dried out enough to head into the water, and that she may have more either drying off or still hatching back in the nest. Female mallards build their nests alone and usually choose an area near the water that has well-covered vegetation. She will abandon her nest once her chicks are all swimming, but this female kept returning to the same patch of vegetation. I'm going to keep a close eye over the next week and see whether she does have any more chicks or if it was just the 3 that hatched. The reason I was surprised to see these ducklings is how early it is in the year. The earliest mallard duck eggs tend to be laid in mid-March, over a period of about 12 days, and then hatch after another 28 days. This female must have laid her eggs in early March, or maybe even the end of February, which means that she was incubating them safely through our recent spells of snow and strong winds. The male mallard doesn't help her with protecting the clutch. Although the pair form strong bonds during the mating season, as soon as the clutch of eggs is laid, he begins to gradually lose interest in her. This male is probably sticking around in case a replacement clutch of eggs is needed, but since the ducklings have started to hatch out, he will eventually join up with other groups of males and start molting his feathers. The ducklings are precocial, which means that they can feed themselves immediately after hatching, but they are still reliant on their mother for protection and warmth. This mother wasn't happy when a group of males came through and called her chicks to her to keep them safe. She will make sure they are protected for the next 55 days until they fledge into their adult feathers and become independent and able to fly. I'll be keeping an eye on this family and documenting how successful this mother is at keeping her young safe. And since I mentioned them at the start of this video, in case anyone is interested in how our swans are doing, all 3 mothers are still nesting in the locations they were during my last update. Subscribe to Ferroforest to keep learning about UK nature.